Howdy folks, Bill the Tractor Man here. Let's talk about solar with the off-grid fish house today. It's very bright out on this cold winter's day, but as you can see the sun's super bright, so let's take a look at this solar setup. So this is just the testing phase. I've got things kind of set up here, kind of wonky in the front yard. I've got these two panels. They're 130 watts a piece, 120 watts a piece, I don't remember. They're somewhere in there. They're eco-worthy panels. Got them wired in. Let's go inside, take a look at the charge controller and see how things are doing. Here's the charge controller. It's mounted on a piece of steel because it said not to mount it anything flammable like wood because it get hot. I think the steel will help dissipate the heat from it. We'll go through here. Looks like we're getting 24 volts from the solar. Our batteries are full actually, so we're not getting much for watt hours or amps there, it looks like. I still have a bit to learn with this, but I can show you the app earlier of when it was charging. Alright, I'm going to put a screenshot of the app over here from when it was charging. Max potential, I was getting about 15 amps of charge with that portable setup, which wasn't much, but put out a lot of charge. So actually it was about 197 watts peak. It did decline from there a little bit. We had some clouds today when I was testing it. Why I wanted to go with solar in this. A big reason is not having to think about and worry about, do I have enough gas with? Will the generator start if it sits outside and gets cold? All that stuff. This thing, without solar, I can go 2-3 days without having to charge it back up. Now with solar, I can set the solar panels up on the lake and almost go indefinitely unless I need more diesel for the furnace. But realistically, I go out for a day or two at a time, and it's nice not having to bring with a 50-pound generator or whatever they weigh, those inverter generators. Another benefit for the whole thing is this entire system that I built cost about as much as a Honda 2000 watt inverter generator does. So now I don't need to bring a generator with. I have more room in the fish house for fishing gear and fun stuff, and I don't have to think about a generator when I've got the kids with and whatnot. The other thing is, I mentioned it, more time fishing, more time relaxing, because I don't have to think about the generator, checking on if it's got gas, making sure that I have an extra thing of oil with because they all burn a little bit of oil. Less time at the gas station in the cold pumping gas for the generator. It's pretty simple here. This is just a proof of concept, so it's all a work in progress. I'm learning as I go, and it's nice being able to do it on a budget and without debt. That's my biggest goal with this build so far. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, drop them down below in the comments. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, or if you enjoy when people do their own projects and learn the hard way. So we'll see you next time.